Yo, what's up guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to second tutorial of Android development with Kotlin. And in this tutorial, we are going to actually set up our Android studio. So let us open up our Android studio. Now we are going to create a new project and name it Android 1 and then click on next. Now in here we have the Android versions. For example, we have KitKat, we have Lollipop, we have Marshmallow, we have Nougat, and now we have Oreo. Okay, so the best practice is that you choose the one or the API that supports maximum devices. So for now, I'm gonna be choosing maybe like 18, 18 or not too old, but make it simple. Like 96% of the devices on the Google Store will be supported if you choose the Android 4.0 Jelly Bean. I'm gonna choose that and leave the rest because we are not developing a Wear app or a TV app or Android Auto app. So we're gonna go next, and in here you can choose a default theme for your app, but for now we're gonna go with empty and then click on next and then finish up. Now after it is done loading, what we need to do is we need to go to file and then go to settings, and from here we need to go to plugins, and from here we need to go to browse repositories, and in here we're going to search for Kotlin, and let's come down. There should be Kotlin in here, the Kotlin language, and you need to just install it. I have already installed it, that's why you will be able to see it in the tools and here Kotlin. So it is installed. After installing it, just come in here and click on configure Kotlin in this project and Android with Gradle and all module and click on OK. Click on sync. Now Kotlin has been successfully installed with your app. So what you can do is this Java can be converted to Kotlin by clicking on here and saying convert Java file to Kotlin, or you can use the shortcut key or double shift, and in here you can say convert Java file. As you can see, it brings you Java file to Kotlin, and just press on enter or click on it, and as you can see, it has converted the code to Kotlin. Now you need to display your app, which is currently in here. This is the app you have currently, that is called Hello World, and its name is Android 1. Now to display this app, you need something called an emulator. So to get an emulator, click on this icon in here, AVD Manager, and click on the create virtual device, and from here choose whatever device you want, whatever size you want. I'll be working with 5.2 Nexus 5X. You can choose 5.5, it's up to you. After choosing it, you need to go to next, and in here you have to install the images you want. For example, you may want API level 26, 25. Basically these are for the newest devices being supported on Node. So the one I'll be using is maybe Nougat. I'll be using Nougat. Its API is 25 and I have already downloaded it. So if you want to use any other, it's up to you. And if you don't have it, you have to click on download, and it's gonna start downloading, and then it's gonna allow you to configure it in here. After I have downloaded it, what you need to do is just go on the image and then click on next and choose the name. For example, I'll say my first emulator, maybe emulator, and in here I will use the portrait, and I'll leave everything as it is, and I'll finish. After that, I'll click on this start button, and now as you can see, we have our emulator working, and Good. So you will be able to see that it will have a mobile interface. It will be complete mobile inside your computer. And as you can see, this is our mobile and it is working with Nougat 1.1. Now I'm going to click on this. And as you can see, it shows me the devices that are connected. I'm going to choose this and I'll see in here that this app will run on this device. And as you can see, it is working perfectly. Okay guys, that was all for this tutorial and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.